I've been seeing a ton of videos recently on my Instagram of people tufting, making rugs. And as always, when I see something creative and interesting and challenging, I want to try it myself. Well, it just so happens that my friend Sylvia makes rugs. You may remember Sylvia as the person who dyed my hair hot pink for a single video. And so I knew she would be the perfect person to ask in assisting me making my own rug. You're about to watch my rug making journey unfold. Please enjoy. Welcome to the world of Sylvia. We've come over to Sylvia's house and she is gonna guide me through this journey. What's gonna happen, I don't know, but by the end of it, there will be a rug and it's going to be fantastic. But where is Sylvia? I don't know where is she? Oh, there she is! Hi. Hey! And also, hello Nelly. Hello.
She's an essential assistant.
I'm very excited about this, Sylvia. Thank you for agreeing to do this. Where do we begin? What's the first thing we need to do?
Take the canvas down and put a new one up.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Just, mind your fingers. That's the only thing.
This is the frame, right? Did you make this yourself? How did you acquire this?
I had a friend of a friend custom make me this frame, and then I just nailed carpet grip. And this is a
baby one.
A baby one I attempted to make is so bad.
Sylvia, I'm gonna help you make a new one of these because this looks like if a gust of wind came through the window, this would disintegrate.
Actually, it's so much better doing it with two
people. With two people, I bet. Do you normally do it by yourself?
Yeah.
Of course. Hello.
Yeah, you be careful.
We've stretched the canvas over the frame. Looks good. It is quite literally a blank canvas. The next thing we need, if I'm not mistaken, is probably a design, right?
That would be useful.
Luckily, I've come prepared. I'm gonna base it off of this, basically. I'm gonna just redraw that to be nice and rug friendly. A design. It is the Fuji Mayo Lover design. She has a big pot of mayo on her head. So this is what we're gonna try and make in rug form.
It looks great.
Thank you. You like cat? No, I like dog. You should draw dog. Dog much better than cat. 50-50, and I always get it wrong every time. Projector time, baby. We have projected our design. Sylvia has instructed me to draw it out using a Sharpie pen. Most importantly, it is flipped backwards because when we it's gonna reverse because of the nature of how this works. So the words mayo, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
For a second I thought you were actually glitching out and I was like,
oh yeah. With character design, people will often do their drawing and then they'll like flip it back and forth to see if it looks good both ways. So everything I draw, whenever I flip it, it looks cursed the other way. But this actually looks quite nice flip. It's quite a nice design, I would say. Sweet, I love it. Okay.
That's incredible.
Okay. So I've just drawn the outline of my practice one. We're gonna do a bigger one as well that will be the real deal. Filmed in front of a live audience.
You know who's gonna steal this rug?
I do actually, yes. My muse, my inspiration. Only a cat can get away with sleeping on a rug of their own face. It's a constant battle with your own shadow. It's like Peter Pan. Is that something he did? It's like Shadow Link. That's more my kind of reference. Yeah! Critique me, what do you think? Honestly, be brutal, be honest, what do you think?
Perfect. Very, 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 very good.
Thank you very much, Sylvia.
Is this the rugging time now?
Whoa, that was cool. All right, that's very satisfying. So did you just teach yourself all of this?
TikTok and YouTube, and a bit of Reddit.
Nice. Just a bit of Reddit. No, you don't want to, not too much Reddit. By the way, which tea is mine?
This is.
Cheers. Just like they used to do in Lithuania back in the old days.
It's in my blood.
This is a little intimidating. So this is the tufting gun, because you can do this by hand as well, right?
Yeah.
But we're gonna use the gun.
I could bore you for hours about oiling this gun, cleaning it, but it's good to go for now. First of all, make sure when you do this, the gun is off.
Not even on the power.
Because if you put your fingers in front of this and this goes off in any way,
you will become a rug.
You'll become a rug. Finger on the trigger, good amount of pressure.
Oh my god, it's beautiful! My first rug. Because am I right in thinking as well, like, it looks like this on this side, but is it on the other side it will look better?
What?
Oh!
Oh yeah!
Tufty!
It's always better on the other side.
Whoa, that's so satisfying. Oh yeah.
Well.
I'm definitely getting more comfortable with the gun as we're going. Like that's like almost perfect. Oh,
Yeah.
you better be careful, Sylvia. I'm gonna come for your craft. First I took Sasha's parkour away. Now I'm gonna take your rug making.
What's so far?
This is a lot of fun. I'm very much enjoying this. My hand aches a little bit, slightly achy. Boom. Nice. All right. Should we take a little peek and see what it looks like? Little cheeky reveal.
Wow.
God, that looks mad.
That is
Looks a
a
little-
bit of a nightmare, but in a great way.
We've got our rough outline on our practice sketch. Next, we're gonna practice some coloring. Let's have a go. It looks like, you know when you get lipstick on your teeth? We've done the tongue. We're gonna do a little flip and reveal to see how it's looking so far.
Oh, that's cute.
Wow, yeah. Day 1 complete. I've had a good go at practicing with the gun. Other than a little bit of an achy hand, that was a lot of fun. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow, do a bit more practicing, and then we can start tackling the big one. Day 2. And look at all this lovely acrylic synthetic yarn that Sylvia has pre-spun for us. We're gonna continue with our tester rug first. Let's do this. Sweet. Oh, yeah.
It worked.
It says mayo.
Yeah.
Amazing.
We're halfway through the test rug. Sylvia, if you could do the honors. Whoa, yes. That's come through really nicely. The final bit of the tester, the mouth. Okay, so this is it from the back. Do you want to see it from the front? Reveal time. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's Fuji. Oh, Sylvia, high five.
PJ,
We did it.
well done. This is so impressive. For the first rug?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? I was making squiggles when I first started.
I did some squiggles
yeah,
too.
but for months.
Now we're getting onto the real deal. We're gonna be using wool for the next rug. Good luck to us. I am making the first incision. One outline is done, except for the lettering on the mayo jar and the teeth. We're gonna save that and do that by hand later. I'm gonna do a second layer all the way around. Let's do it again.
Hello.
The line art is done, so we're gonna trim it down now. Sylvia, please show me. What do we do? That is gonna conclude day 2. Tomorrow, we're gonna pick this back up. We're gonna fill this in. It's gonna look beautiful. What are we gonna fill it in with? I'll show you. All right, day 3. I am very much ready to do this. We're gonna jump straight into action. We have an absolute metric ton of wool to work with down here. There's so many variations of gray and white and blue. This is fantastic. So let's get this hooked up into the gun and get blasting.
So I picked up every color that we're gonna need. I think we definitely have plenty of this.
Great, yeah.
Oh.
Oops. I don't know about you, but it feels like there's something missing today. It feels like there's like a sort of an element of chaos that's just not here.
Huh.
What is it? What? So we've got the first little area filled in. We started with the mouth and we're going to expand outwards. The tongue is definitely a much easier portion to do, so we started with that. I've got myself a little treat. If I can work quickly and efficiently, I've got a little Dutch almond biscuit waiting for me in a little baggie over there. So that's going to be the reward. The rug is also the reward, but the biscuit is also the reward. Nice. Jim Henson wishes they had the puppeteering skills we do. Look at this. Dune Part 3, let's go. This is a punch needle, and using this we're gonna do the little details of the teeth by hand, starting with a black outline.
Sorry, 1 second.
Do you want your bicky now?
Not yet. Saving it. Let's start with that.
Yeah.
Great. Great. We have made tremendous progress so far. Sylvia's colored a huge chunk of this in with a pen to make it a little easier to see where we've gone with the white. Real quick note right here. This was actually a minor mistake that we didn't realize until later when we washed the rug. Do not color in your canvas with a marker pen because you may have issues with the dye leaking into your rug. It's not really a huge deal because, spoiler alert, the final result looks fantastic, but I just thought I would bring it up here. All right, back to the video. I think I've earned a little something. I think I've earned a hot tea and a cheeky little biscuit. A cheeky little Dutch almond biscuit. I think I deserve it for working so hard. We're gonna give the Dutch almond biscuit a taste test. Here we go. Oh, wow.
Does it remind you of anything?
Does it remind me of something?
Yeah.
Oh.
Tatas.
Gonna do a partial halfway through reveal, okay? I've had my treat, this is your treat, okay? Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Yes, yes, yes. So far, so good. Now trap Sophie back there. Trap her back there.
Can't leave.
Snip, snap. Snip, snap, 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 snip, snap. There's a Mario Party minigame exactly like this, and I was always so bad at it, so it's so nice that this is now my redemption. Now who's the superstar? When people make videos of it, it looks deceptively easy, and it's actually a lot harder than you think it's gonna be. Ooh, spicy meatball. Last couple of little bits of the white, we're getting there. I'm gonna take a look. You're not gonna get to see it yet, but what you're gonna get to see is my reaction. Oh yes! It's pretty good. It's pretty professional. You're gonna have to wait a little bit longer to see more. Please hold, okay? It's weird, but it looks like something that I've commissioned someone else to make. This does not look like something that I myself have made, which is a huge compliment to myself from myself. So thanks, Peach. You're welcome. Just call me Gandalf, baby, because we're going grey.
Welcome to the yarning. I ask you to close your eyes. Hold your arms out in front of you. Lower them down.
I'm drawn towards this one.
Open your eyes. This shall be the blue you shall use.
We've picked our blue.
You're losing our marbles.
We've been going at this for quite a while now. So the last thing to do is the mayo pot. So we're gonna start with the lid and work our way down. Oops, I dropped my waiter. This is the part I've been most nervous about. We need to go around the lettering with the gun, but this is the part where it could all go wrong. We are so nearly there. The final thing we need to do is the black lettering here. So we're gonna load up the gun with some black wool, get this mayo pot finished. Been a long day, but a very rewarding one because this is looking fantastico. The final pump. All right, okay.
Oh.
The light went off. That might be it. We might be done. We need to inspect, but wow. Oh my God, wow. All right.
Ready for the big reveal?
Big reveal, let's go. Spin it. Whoa. There she is. Yeah, that's awesome, man. The lettering's not bad. Obviously, we need to shave into a bit, but you know, it's good. What do we do now?
Now we glue the backs of them. Wait for that to dry. Then we can cut it out the next time.
Cool.
Yes, PJ.
End of day 3. So, Sylvia, bless her, would not let me pay for any of the wool on this project, in which case, I'm gonna have to make her an offer she can't refuse. I'm gonna have to build her something.
how you doing? Speedy's here.
It's a surprise! Hey, gorgeous!
Speedy's the big surprise. So, Sil, I thought I would just do a little special something for you because a medium-sized frame.
You even put carpet grips in it.
Absolutely. How else are you gonna tuft without carpet grip? Solid as a rock.
Are you kidding me? When did you do this?
This morning.
Hence why we need a hand getting this over here. 'Cause
It did not fit in the car. It did not fit in the car.
Oh my God. I'm so grateful.
Hell
Thank
yeah.
you.
You're welcome.
This is huge. Oh my goodness, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That is so kind. That is so thoughtful. I'm
All
gonna
right.
throw that one out today. Thank you.
That's all good. You're welcome. Well, thank you for helping us with the rugs. So, it is day 4 and we are nearly at the finish line. Sylvia's done a tremendous job at gluing it and getting it all sealed up. So the next thing we need to do, shave it down a little bit and finish making it look pretty. Like I said, finish line is on the horizon. Let's do this.
Choose your fighter.
I think we're gonna have to go big scissors. And so, wowie zowie. Would you look at those? That's a couple of cool cat rugs if you ask me. Sil, we did it.
We did it.
I can't believe it. 4 days ago, these did not exist. 4 days ago, these were merely a sketch on an iPad. And now look at them. This has completely blown me away. I've never done anything quite like this before. Like, for all the creative endeavors that I ever try, like, this is the most, like, wow, like, idea to physical thing. It just looks so cool. Like, thank you so much, Sylvia, for sharing your craft with us.
My pleasure.
I can't wait to see Fuji's reaction.
Those hours and hours on TikTok watching other people do the same. It's worth it now.
You can learn so much from just like watching people do stuff. So if you out there learn anything from watching this video, I hope we've imparted some kind of wisdom upon you.
Very happy.
Pound it. Hey, Fuji. Look, Fuji, it's you.
She's accepted it immediately, yeah.
Well, I would say that is a complete success. In true cat fashion, she is just enamored by her own face. But wait, there's one more. As a bonus, Sylvia has very kindly made us a grassy rug to go at the base of Fuji's cat tree, which I built a few videos ago. She already loves it. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Everything we do it for her.